Have you ever had a VEX IQ controller joystick that doesn't snap back to the center? Today, show you a simple way to check and fix this common problem. Sometimes, after long use, the joystick might feel stuck and won't return to the center automatically. This is usually caused by dust inside or a misaligned internal spring. Prepare a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the screws on the back of the controller. Remove the battery. And carefully open the shell. Watch out for the ribbon cables inside. Inside, you'll find a small spring and plastic sliders beneath the joystick. Use a cotton swab to clean out any dust and gently remove any debris. If the spring is out of place, use tweezers or your fingers to gently reposition it until it's back to its original tension. Once everything's clean and aligned, you can apply a small amount of dry lubricant. Put the case back together. Check if the joystick snaps back properly and tighten the screws. Finally, turn the controller on and test the joystick movement. And that's a quick and easy guide to fixing your VEX IQ joystick. If it's still not working, you might need to replace the joystick module. Thanks for watching.